Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn endorsements strategy with colleagues. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top menu. Scroll down to the skills and endorsements section on your profile. Review the skills you currently have listed. Identify any key skills that may be missing or outdated. Reach out to colleagues who are familiar with your work. Send them a brief message explaining your intention to update your endorsements. Ask them to endorse you for specific skills relevant to your current career goals. Be sure to clarify why those skills are important for your professional development. Encourage them to mention specific projects or work experiences in their endorsements. Consider offering to reciprocate by endorsing their skills as well. After your colleagues respond, take a moment to thank them for their support. Next, reflect on the feedback you've received. Use this information to refine the skills section of your profile. Remove any skills that no longer pertain to your career trajectory. Add new skills that reflect your current expertise and aspirations. Once updated, engage with your network by sharing content related to your skills. This keeps your profile active and reminds others of your capabilities. Regularly revisit your endorsements strategy to maintain its relevance. Consistently engage with colleagues to foster relationships that encourage mutual endorsements. Monitor the effectiveness of your skills in attracting opportunities. Adjust your strategy based on the responses you receive from your network. By maintaining an active presence on LinkedIn, you'll enhance your professional image. Finally, stay proactive in nurturing connections to develop a strong endorsement network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.